Hey, welcome back to Free Spirit Yoga. I'm Sally and today is day number 2 of the Samaritans 30-day yoga challenge. We are going to start off today's session in a seated position. So if you're not comfortable sitting directly on the floor and you prefer to sit on a cushion or a folded blanket, then pause the video and go away and get one now. Today we're going to be working on moving with our breath, and this really is the basis of yoga. Moving our body in coordination with our breath helps to coordinate our body and mind and bring us into the present moment, and that's what we're really going to be looking at and concentrating on today. So let's get started. We're starting today's session in a seated position. So as I said just now, if you want to sit on a cushion or a folded blanket just to raise your bottom up a little bit, then please do so. Also, if you're more comfortable with sitting with your legs straight out in front of you, that's also fine. Either way, we're going to begin by sitting with a straight back, our shoulders back and our chest forwards, and we're going to close our eyes and draw our focus, our attention to our breath. Draw your focus inwards. Just breathing normally at the moment. Now start to deepen your breath, breathing in and out through your nose. Allowing your belly to expand, your belly to come out as you inhale, as your diaphragm pushes down, to really allow your lungs to fully expand. And then as you exhale, draw your belly in, your belly button towards your spine to help push the air up and out of your lungs. In and out through your nose, long, slow, deep breaths. See if you can count to 4 in your mind as you inhale, and 4 as you exhale. Now, keeping your eyes closed, start to gently circle your upper body. So making circles, pushing your chest forwards as you come forwards, arching your back as you circle back. See if you can coordinate it with your breath. So as you come forwards, as you push your chest forwards, inhale. And then as you circle backwards, arching your back, exhale. Keep your eyes closed, keep your focus inwards. Notice how your body feels. Feel how your body is responding to this movement. Circling back now the other way. Really relax your body and your mind. Notice any areas of stiffness, any areas of tension. Okay, good. Now opening your eyes. We're going to come on to all fours now. This is a position called tabletop position. We're going to have our hands directly underneath our shoulders, our knees directly underneath our hips. We're going to practice 2 asanas now, cat and cow. We're going to flow between the 2 asanas with our breath. So first of all, we're going to exhale through our nose and arch our back like a cat, tucking your head under to look towards our belly button. And now we're going to inhale and dip our belly down, looking up towards the ceiling, raising our sit bones. This is the cow stretch. Just keep on moving between the 2 asanas, coordinating your movement with your breath. If you come into the cat stretch, really push away from the floor, really arch your back as much as you can. And then as you come through into the cow, really dip your belly, look up as much as you can. Okay, now coming back to tabletop position again. I'm just going to tuck our toes under, walk our hands back, come up onto our toes, and now we're going to come up to a standing position. We're going to inhale. As we do so, we're going to inhale and reach up. As we reach up, we're going to cross our arms at the wrists and look up towards our hands. I'm just going to move across the mat so you can see more easily. You can stay in the same position. Now we're going to exhale our arms down and bring our chin to our chest. Again, inhale, reach up across the wrist the other way, looking up to the hands. And then exhale your arms down, bring your chin to your chest. Now inhale, exhale, place your fingertips on your shoulders. Step your feet slightly further apart, and now we're going to do a twist and we're going to move with our breath. We're going to keep the lower body facing forward as we exhale and twist to the left. Inhale to the front, exhale to the right. Inhale to the front and then exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale. Try to keep your elbows out to the side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Last time, exhale, and then inhale, back to the front. Okay, now we're going to come to the top of our mat. We're going to practice some asanas that we practiced yesterday. We're going to put them together into a flowing sequence. So first of all, we're going to start off with that prayer pose. We're going to inhale, exhale, bring our palms together at our heart center. And then we're going to inhale, reach up, looking up towards our hands, bending back slightly. Now we're going to exhale, bring our arms slightly further apart. Arms are now parallel with our palms facing each other, and we're going to bend our knees into chair pose. So remember, keep looking to that space between your hands. Really reach for the ceiling with your fingertips. With your lower body really sink down into that chair. Okay, now inhale, straighten your knees, keeping your arms raised above your head. we're going to fold forward into the forward fold. So we're going to reach forwards, come down into the forward fold, remembering to bend your knees as much as you need to be able to bring your tummy to your thighs, your fingertips to the mat either side of your feet. Just let your head hang, your neck relax. Now, with our right foot, we're going to inhale and step our foot back, lowering the knee down, lowering the top of the foot down, and looking forwards, pushing our chest forwards into that low lunge that we practiced yesterday. Next, we're going to tuck our toes under at the back, raise the knee, and we're going to hold our breath as we bring our left foot back to join the right, and we're going to be in plank position now. We should have our hands directly underneath our shoulders, a nice straight line from our ankles to our shoulders. A nice plank position. And then we're going to exhale, push our bottom up and back. So we're now in an inverted V position. This is called the downwards facing dog position. We're looking up towards our belly button. Our heels are coming down towards the floor, even if they're not reaching the floor. We're pulling them down towards the floor as we push our bottom up and back. Okay, now we're going to start to just slowly walk our feet up to the top of the mat, so we come back into that forwards fold position. Okay, again, bending your knees as much as you need to. And now we're going to inhale, reach forwards, and then reach up. And we're going to come straight back into the forward fold again. We're going to exhale, fold forwards, into the forward fold. Again, just let that head hang, that neck relax. Bend your knees as much as you need to. Now we're going to step back with the left foot. We're going to inhale, step back, lower the knee, lower the top of the foot. And remember to look forwards, push the chest forwards into that low lunge. Okay, now again we're going to come into plank position. So hold your breath as you raise the knee, bring the right leg back to join the left into plank position. And then exhale again into the downwards facing dog. So pushing your bottom up and back. Your head is coming between your arms, looking up towards your belly button. Heels down towards the floor, bottom up and back. And again, we're going to walk our feet up to the top of the mat. And inhale, our arms up. Exhale, our arms down. And now we're going to inhale again. Exhale the hands into prayer position. I'm going to inhale, come up onto our tiptoes. And then we're going to exhale, bend our knees. Try to stay on your tiptoes. This is called tiptoe pose. We're going to exhale, 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 exhale as we lower ourselves down to the floor. Bring the fingertips to the mat to help steady yourself now as you come in to a supine position, laying on your back on the mat. And last of all, we're just going to hug our knees gently in towards our body. Just gently rock from side to side. And now we're going to come into corpse pose, Savasana, for relaxation to integrate our practice. So legs straight, feet slightly apart, arms out, slightly away from the side of your body, the palms facing up. Close your eyes, focus on your breath and relax. Okay, now bring your feet together, bend your knees, roll slowly on to one side, and slowly and gently push yourself up to a seated position. That is the end of our session today. If you want to stay in Savasana for longer, then please do so. That's day 2 complete, so I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Don't forget to go to my Facebook page and donate to the Samaritans. And also, if you're enjoying these videos and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do so. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.